Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure the device is ready, unlocked, charged, and backed up. Once done, back up contacts and photos so you don't lose anything tied to the account. Now open Settings, then tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. You will see Google listed. This is the account you'll remove. Make sure you know the device PIN or pattern because Android may require it. If you don't, stop and recover credentials first. You now select the Google entry in Accounts and tap the account name to expand details. Once selected, tap Remove Account. Android will ask you to confirm and authenticate with your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password. Provide it. After authentication, the system will sign you out and stop sync processes. Make sure to watch app behavior. Email, Play Store, and contacts should show signed out status. If the account is linked to device, finish by restarting your device so cache is clear and apps fully reflect the change. Once restarted, check Play Store and Mail. They should prompt for sign-in. If Remove Account was grayed out, go to Settings, Security, Device, Admin Apps, and disable any admin access for that Google account, then try again. As a last resort, consider a factory reset only after backing up data. If factory reset protection prompts for the old account, use the account recovery flow to regain access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.